Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Swizzle Barrier. We're going to come off an Arm Jive variation, and it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's break it down. Starts off with our Arm Jive. We go back, 2 hands, left, right, shoulder. Standard entrance to a swizzle. Taking the lady round, right hand goes down so it folds up behind the back comfortably. Guy stepping out to the left, we drop the hand down, so there's our swizzle position. The barrier is the guy nipping around the back. You could do it by ducking and going through, but as most people do it, they go, actually that barrier will rise for me. So we go through the barrier, bringing it back down. We then flip to the other side, and then we come out of the barrier the other side, ready to send the lady into a turn, get out of her way, travelling return, and we're done. So let's pop some numbers on that. We go back 1, putting the left 2, right 3, shoulder 4, turning 5, into the swizzle position 6. We go through the barrier 7, out of the barrier 8, turning 1, out of the way 2, travelling return 3, and back 4. Some people take 3 counts to get through the barrier and back out. The way I just did it was 2. If you struggle, put an extra count in. Okay, so let's do it. 5, a 6, a swizzle, barrier, offer, left, right, shoulder, turn, barrier, through, over, look, return, and back. That's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. Remember, like, subscribe, and hit the bell, and we'll pop a music recommendation on the end. Happy dancing, everybody. Stay safe out there.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.